Hello everybody and welcome to Draw with Alan. My name is Alan Nolan. I'm an illustrator and I'm a writer, and I write and I draw books for children. And you can see a lot of my stuff right here on this website. But today we're going to do some drawing. So today we're going to draw a polar bear. I absolutely love drawing polar bears. So all we need to draw a polar bear is we need a pencil or a pen and some paper. And we're going to start off with our polar bear just over this side of the sheet of paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a shape that kind of looks like that. It's a curve that'll start here and come around like up to here, just like that little curve, almost like an eyebrow. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue this curve right the way around to here. So one big curvy line that'll start here, go underneath and up to there. Okay, then I'm going to draw a little U shape like this, or a backwards kind of C shape, just for the ear of the polar bear. Put a little black spot inside it, and then we'll put a matching ear over this side, so just coming from behind, little bump like that just to show there's another ear. And then we'll do the polar bear's eye. So right in the middle of this humpy bit here, I'm going to draw a circle around like this. And then for the pupil of the eye, I'll draw inside that another circle. And then I will colour that inner circle black, but just leave a little bit of white up at the top, just to give the polar bear a little bit of sparkle in his eye. Okay, so up here I'll just draw a tiny circle for the sparkle and colour in the rest of that circle. There you have a polar bear's eye. Cool. Then we make it a smiley polar bear. We're giving a little smile, just like that, little curve, little crease at the end, and then a little curve there for the polar bear's nose. So just on the end of his face, just going to draw a curve going up like that. And then I will colour in some of it black, but I'll leave a little bit at the top white, just to show that it's a nice, shiny, healthy polar bear nose, okay? So a little bit of black there, and leave a tiny bit of white up at the top. Okay, so we have our polar bear face. Now we're going to do the big polar bear body. And we're going to do that by starting here at the top of his head, or nearly at the top of his head. I'm going to draw a curve that comes around like this, and up, and around, round, down by his polar bear bum, and then right down to the bottom of his polar bear back leg, all right? So I'm going to start here with a big curve that goes roundy, up, around by the polar bear bum there, and straight down to a polar bear leg. Okay? And then while we're drawing the bump, we may as well draw his little tail. So a little bump there for the polar bear tail. And then we'll draw the polar bear's back leg. And we'll do that by drawing a straight line across like that. Okay, that's the bottom of his foot. And then the front of his foot, we'll just draw a tiny little curve going across like that. Okay, and then to draw the front of his leg, we'll draw a big curve coming around like that, because polar bears have incredibly strong legs because they use them for swimming around in the Arctic seas and waters. Cool. Okay, last thing we'll do on this leg is we'll just draw a little line down there to show that he has toes. And then we'll do his front leg. So do his front leg, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line coming down like this. Okay, straight enough, can be a little bit curved if you want. Straight line going across for the bottom of his foot. Okay, a little line coming up then, a little curved line coming up like that for the front of his foot. And then for the front of his leg, I'm just going to draw a little curved line going around like that, just joining onto the front of his foot. Little line there for his toe. There are his two legs. Now we'll draw the bottom of his body. We'll start with the line here that'll go behind this leg and then join up to the back leg, all right? So a curved line that'll come from his head, go behind the leg, and then join up with the back leg like that. Okay. And then if you want to, you can draw the legs that are on the other side just by drawing a line down like that, line going across and line back. That'll show the back leg over there. And the front leg will do exactly the same thing. Line coming down, line going across, line going back. So now he has 4 legs. Now the next thing we'll do, and it's the last thing we'll do on this polar bear, is we will draw him standing on a lump of ice, okay? So to draw that, what I'm going to do is I will start with the line here from the front of his foot. I'll draw it around like this, a waggly line, round like this, another waggle over here, another waggle at the back, and over to there, okay? And then a little, it's almost like he's standing in a puddle. And then we draw a line from behind his legs, just between the 2 legs of the middle, so just across there. And then a few lines straight down from each of these, just to show that it's standing on a solid block of ice. So a line going down, a line going down, a line going down, a line going down, a line going down. And then we'll finish off the lump of ice just with the same kind of waggle, but just going behind there. It's going behind that line because there's a little curve going around like that. And then a curved line going across from here to here. Okay, then it goes around the corner, starts up again here and comes up to that line. And then it goes around the corner again and goes over to that line. And there you have it. You have a polar bear standing on a block of ice. Well done, everybody.